different sheens ng Labradorite. Okay, start tayo sa pinaka-common. Well, personally kasi mas lagi kong nakikita to or na-encounter. Number 1 is ito, blue sheen. O, kita mo? Yarn, ang ganda. Super nice, diba? Para siyang galaxy. I noticed that this is one of the most common colors kasi parang majority ata ng Labradorite that we're dealing with, madalas blue yung sheen niya. Next is parang yellow. So, if you can see here, ito mas marami siyang shade ng yellow into it. Yellow-green, parang ganun. Ayan, kita mo yan. O, diba, pak, silaw. O, diba, araw. And also, yan, kita mo yung yellow sheen niya. Napapansin ko, this blue color or yellow color, madalas siyang nakikita kasama ng blue. So, yan, normally kapag may blue, may chance yan, may mga yellow parts yan or gold parts yan. Start tayo sa uncommon. Uncommon is this copper red. Nakita mo, wow, it's burning. Very nice. Isa lang yung ganito ko. Copper red. Nakalamayan, no? Parang it's like sunset, diba? Ang ganda. Na ganito ka-intense. Ayan, super hirap maghanap ng gantong copper red na super intense yung color. Pero as you can see, hindi siya ganun ka-intense katulad ng blues. Pero if you encounter one of these colors, ayan, pak, keep mo yan. For sure yan. Bihira yan. And then lastly is purple. Yan, tinan nyo to, purple. Ang ganda! Super nice, di ba? Sobrang bihira din ako makakuha ng gantong color, purple Labradorite. As you can see, ito ganyan kita. Kita mo yung pagka-purple niya, it's like plum. Yan, so pag may ganto kang color na Labradorite, you should keep it kasi ang hirap maghanap ng gantong color. Sobrang once in a blue moon ka lang makaka-encounter ng ganto na, tas maganda pa yung quality. Ay nako, alam mo na yan, keep mo na yan. So yun lang. Nice, diba? Ang gaganda ng Labradorites. Very, very nice. Maganda sila. One of my favorite crystals kasi ang ganda talaga ng colors niya.